Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of The Battle of Forks. Today we are going to talk about Hatter and Snowball, that both of them are two ways to start earning passive income on Wonderland. So you will receive some time token, that is the token of the Wonderland Money platform, just as a passive income without doing anything. On the other side, you will start earning some SB, that is the token of Snowbank, just holding some Snowball token. And I will show you exactly how does it work and what you have to pay attention in order to be able to really catch this opportunity, and also what are the risks. Because as always, there is no free meal and every opportunity is coming with also some risk. But let's jump into the topic. I will start saying that Hatter Finance and Snowball are just the same. Both of them are working in exactly the same way. The only difference is that the Hatter Finance is dedicated to Wonderland Money and the Snowball is dedicated to the Snowbank platform. The way they are working is quite simple. All you have to do is just buying the token. In this case, for Hatter Finance, you have to buy the token Hatter. You can buy it through Trader Joe because both Hatter and Snowball are on Avalanche. You can just click here on Buy Now or here on Buy Snow. And how does it work? It works that it is leveraging the same mechanism that has been introduced by SafeMoon a couple of months ago. The idea is quite simple. Every time you are completing a transaction, that it means every time you or someone is buying some Hatter token in this case, but the same applies also to the token of Snowball. Every time this is happening, you are paying a tax. So let's say that you want to buy $100 into Hatter tokens, you will not receive $100 in Hatter tokens, even if you are paying for real $100, but you will just receiving $87. And the reason is because there is a tax, and this is the tax breakdown. So it means that the $13 that are missing will be distributed as follows. The 7%, so $7 will be used to buy back some time tokens. These time tokens will be redistributed to just the holder of the Hatter token. So it means that after you have bought the token of Hatter, you have just to keep it in your wallet, and from that moment on, you will start earning some time tokens that will be added to your wallet. On the other side, another $4 of the 100 will go to dev and for marketing. And finally, the 2%, so $2 will be used to increase the liquidity. Because in order to have a healthy token, we obviously need also an increasing amount of liquidity. And through this system, the liquidity inside the pool that is containing the Hatter token will continuously growing. So as you can understand, the Hatter token is not a protocol, it's just a token, a coin, a crypto that you are buying, and just for the only reason that you bought it, you are start receiving some rewards. What is the point? The point is that it is really sustainable, it or not. As you can see from the analytics of Trader Joe, only the 22 of November has been something like more than 16 million of volume in exchanges, in swaps for the Hatter token. And that's an insane amount. And the number of transactions were so high that even the whole Avalanche network was slowing down due to the increasing amount of people that were just going crazy in order to buy this token. But as you can see, the volume has been decreasing day by day. The first day was 16 million, the day after 10 million, and yesterday was just 2.2 million. Today, that is still going on, is around 600,000. So as you can see, the amount is decreasing. And the same we can see it through Snowball, that is working exactly into the same way. As you can see, also the breakdown is exactly the same. The 7% will be used in order to buy back some SP, so the token of Snowbank, and these Snowbank tokens will be distributed to all the people who are just holding the Snow token, so the token of Snowball. The 4% will go to the marketing and the 2% will go to the liquidity. And if we have a look to the chart of Snowball, you can see that the first day, that was the 23, the amount of trading, so the amount of volume was insane, even in this case, and it was around 6 million. But on even the day after, it was just 170,000. So what we can understand from all of these numbers is that, yes, that's true that you can earn a lot of money, because if you bought your in this case the Snow tokens, but the same for the Hatter tokens at just the beginning, just in the first hours of the launch, you have done for sure a ton of money, because the amount of volume, so the amount of fees that has been paid by people that were just trying to buy the Hatter token in order to receive some time rewards, was simply insane. The point is that at a certain point, in the moment when the volume is starting to decrease, in that moment, the amount of rewards that you will receive will go to zero really quickly. So really pay attention in the moment when you want to enter into this kind of project, because if it's true that the project is still alive, because if you go, for example, the Hatter Finance, you can see that they were publishing until not even say 17 hours ago. The point is that actually it's quite difficult to see a future for this kind of project, because it is only based on volume, and if there is no volume, there is no future. So I don't know if for any kind of reason the project will be revamped. What I can say to you is to pay really attention, because the hype can be really fast. As you can see from Snowball, the token Snow has done an incredible amount of trading volume just the first day, but just the day after has gone almost to zero. So pay attention, because there is also another thing that you have to remember. In the moment when the volume is really high, most of the time also the price of the token is going high. So you are just buying at a higher price something just with the promise that it will be able to pay to you some passive income. The point is that not even the day after, the token will stop paying you the passive income that you were expecting for, and also you will start seeing a dump into the price. So the risk is to lose money through time. So be always aware of that, because that, yes, that's true that you can make a ton of money, because people who enter into the Hatter Finance platform the first moment, I'm not even saying the first day, because that's not true. The people who are who made the most of the money are the people who enter in the project the first hour. So most of the time we are just talking about the devs and the small community that were engaged into the project at the beginning. All the people that heard about the project through Twitter, that enter a couple of hours later, or the day after, and so on, most of the time they came out with something that is close to zero, and many times even with a loss. So really pay attention, because all of these opportunities that are just driven by the community, because as you can see also from the Wonderland Money Twitter account, Wonderland is not affiliated with Hatter or any other meme coins. Please do your own research. That's really important to remember. On these days, just because this kind of topic is quite trending, you will see many people just creating any kind of project just in order to have fun, just to make money, or whatever is the reason. You have to be always aware and do well your math, because yes, you can make money, but you can also lose a lot. Guys, if you have any questions, just as always, leave me a comment below. I will appreciate if you leave me also a big thumbs up and drop a comment in order to help it spread the word and reach more people, in order to help other people understand how does it work, this kind of opportunity, and also what are the risks. Guys, I will see you tomorrow with another video. Bye guys.